Hi everyone, welcome back to the True Host Academy channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to change your WordPress password quickly and easily. Whether you've forgotten your password or want to update it for security reasons, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, you need to access the WordPress login page. This is typically found at yoursite.com/wp-admin or yoursite.com/wp-login.php. Enter your current username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Here, look for users in the left-hand menu and click Profile or All Users if you want to change the password for a different user. On your profile page, scroll down until you see the Account Management section. Click on Generate Password. WordPress will automatically create a strong, random password for you. If you prefer, you can type in your password in the New Password field. Just make sure it's strong and secure. WordPress will check the strength of your password and let you know if it's strong enough. After you've set your new password, scroll down and click on the Update Profile button to save your changes. To ensure everything's working, log out of your WordPress account and log back in using your new password. And that's it. Changing your WordPress password is a quick process that helps keep your site secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.